Tiffany, and I am here with Puzoodles. These are animals that are food, that are puzzles. It's crazy. There's Fruity Feathers, Chimpanzee, and Melon Bites, plus more. There are 8 total to collect. Right here we can see like a little checklist. There's Perfect Taco, Dino Cake, Slow Food, Melon Bites, Colonel Llama, Caterpillar Roll, Fruity Feathers, Chimpanzee. I almost picked up Colonel Llama as well. I really want to get them all, but I wanted to check them out first. These seem super cool. So this one specifically has 29 pieces, and this one has 21 pieces, and this one has 25 pieces. And they snap together. I don't know how easy or difficult it's going to be. We'll definitely have to check it out. So let's go ahead and get these out so we can take a closer look at them. I went ahead and opened all of these, and it looks like we have blind bags galore. These are just all of the pieces in here. And then we have a nice little paper. It says, meet your new Puzoodle pet. Build me with 21 pieces. And it gives you like a little map. Like it shows you how to put it together. So that's good. And then there's a little checklist on the back. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and start building this chimpanzee. Here is Chimpanzee all completed. I just wanted to say that this was really confusing to me at first. I thought, I was just trying to follow this, and I was trying to figure out which chips went where kind of thing. But then I realized after about halfway through, after I did the face, it's better to match up the little pegs. So some of them will be like, it's hard to explain because I can't really show you. Let me see if I can, see, okay. See, these two obviously will go into one another, so it just matches easier if you match with the pegs, and it goes much faster. So I think he looks so amazing. I'm so excited. Oh, his eyeball fell out. Whoopsies. Let's snap that back in there so you don't lose those, because then you can't see, but he looks so adorable. I can't wait to build the other one, so let's go ahead and get started. Here is Melon Bites, the shark, all done. I was having trouble getting this into the body, just this top bit. I feel like I just need to keep working on it a little bit more, but you can tell it's still not fully on all the way, but it's so cool. I love this one. It's so amazing. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to be getting the rest of these. They're so cool. Okay, let's open up our last one, Fruity Feathers. Fruity Feathers is complete. The only thing weird is this wing here. I don't know, it doesn't fit snug in this compartment, but like honestly, this is pretty cool. I love the coconut, oh my gosh, the pineapple detail and everything. It's all so cool. These are so much cooler when they're built in person than the picture on the box. I thought they were cool with the picture on the box, but these are so cool with all the detail and everything. Overall, these were super fun to build and they look so amazing. They were a little bit on the tricky side to put together, hence, you know, my shark face isn't even exactly on all the way, but I'm working on it. Let me know your favorite of these three in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to join the chicken coop and I will see you next time. Bye!